Welcome back to Succulent Garden. Today, we're exploring 30 incredibly beautiful and colorful succulents. Let's begin with the warm and enchanting shades of red and pink. This is the Echeverria Red Psyche with its fiery red tones. Next, we have the Echeverria Red Dragonfly showcasing the sweet beauty of rose petals. Don't miss the Echeverria Pink Crystal with its delicate blend of pink and green. The diversity in the red and pink spectrum of these plants is truly remarkable, isn't it? Now, let's move on to the bright and energetic hues of yellow and orange. The Echeverria Diraceana Lola variegated resembles a miniature sun with its vibrant yellow glow.
The Echeverria Agavois Rajoya brings the warm feeling of rip orange.
And here's the Crassula marnieriana jade necklace, with its unique combination of yellow and interesting patterns. Yellow and orange succulents not only bring warmth but also create striking focal points in any space. Green always brings a sense of freshness and tranquility.
Let's admire the diverse shades of green in the succulent world.
This is the Aeonium lily pad with its classic green rosette and elegant form. The Orosticus impresses with its unique gray-green color and a beautiful powdery coating. And here's the Echeverria Pink Edge, showcasing its plump green leaves and intricate veining. The richness of green hues demonstrates the vibrant life force within these plants. Now let's explore some of the rarer and more enchanting colors, blue and purple.
The Echeverria Canté display a soft pastel blue, like a summer sky.
The Echeverria Purple Champagne adorns itself with a captivating and mysterious purple hue. And here's the Echeverria Blue Mist with its unique blend of blue and other fascinating shades. These blue and purple succulents are sure to be special additions to any plant collection. The beauty of succulents isn't just in a single color, but also in their incredible blends and transformations. The Echeveria pink edge is stunning with its color shift from green to pink in cooler temperatures. The Echeveria pink heron variegated showcases leaves with unique and vibrant stripes of different colors. The Echeveria pink heron variegated showcases leaves with unique and vibrant stripes of different colors. And the Graptiveria tichibans variegated changes its hues throughout its growth cycle. This color-changing characteristic adds an element of surprise and ongoing interest for the grower. With their incredible variety of colors and shapes, succulents are an endless source of inspiration for decorating your living and working spaces. We hope this video has given you a delightful glimpse into the colorful beauty of the succulent world. Which of these 30 incredible succulents was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating videos from our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. You can create miniature colorful gardens right in your home. Feel free to get creative and make your space unique and personal with these vibrant green companions.